In this video, we will look at how the OKR backlog works in Profit.co. The backlog is a great space to keep ideas for the future. To enable the backlog, navigate to Settings, OKRs, OKR Authoring from the left navigation panel. In the OKR Authoring page, move the Enable OKR Backlog toggle. Once you enable the toggle, the OKR Backlog icon will be accessible on the universal menu bar. To access the backlog, select the icon in between the Notifications and Help icons at the top of the page. There, you'll see a tab for Objectives and a tab for Key Results. When you press Create, you can select Key Result or Objective, and then you can give it a name. You can also add the OKR level or additional context if needed. Then hit Create. When you're ready to add your backlog objective or key results to your OKR page, click on the target icon to the right of your key result or objective name. Then hit Create. Double-check the target date, where you can make a custom range if necessary, and the visibility. You can also move active OKRs to the Moving Objectives backlog if your priorities change. To move an objective or key result, go to the OKRs page and select the More icon. Scroll down and select Move to Backlog. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Press Yes. Now your objective is back in the OKRs backlog. When you reactivate your OKRs, you'll still be able to edit them at any time. Hope you now have a better understanding of how the backlog works. Thanks for watching.